Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Threads account public. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. Here you can see various options on the bottom of your screen. Now click on the bottom right option. Click on the menu in the top right corner. Now click on privacy in the settings section. Now you have to simply enable the private profile option. Then it questions you whether you want to switch to public account. Then click on the OK button. And that is how you can easily make your Threads account public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.